These luxurious La Jolie Muse candles will be the easiest, best give you will give. They arrive like this: luxurious, thick paper, bow already tied, no work whatsoever. Completely encased in this thick styrofoam. They are clean burn, wooden wick, long-lasting, vegan soy. This smells like this amazing mix of citrus, cranberry, warm plum. If you've ever been to someone's house that has like a hot cranberry punch going, this is the scent. And the jar is so beautiful in person. It has this embossed decorative glass on the outside, reusable, and a metallic silver metal on the inside. It has this great reflective quality because of that. The wood wick does have a little bit of a crackle, a very cozy fireplace vibe, I would say. Clean ingredients, no parabens, sulfates, phthalates, any of that stuff. Scent, stunning, noticeable, fills a room, kind of gives that holiday home warm hug kind of feel. Overall, I would say upscale glass, beautiful glow and lit. Wooden wick has that cozy crackle. Candle that looks premium, smells amazing, adds a little personality to any tabletop. And add on top of that, it is ready to go as a gift. This thing makes me so happy. Hope this helps. If it does, please give it a like so I can make more videos like this.